There it is. A new water heater. You know how things never go as easy as they should. Check out how we install our water heater. Yeah. There's the new water heater. Hopefully it uses less power. It says it uses more. $494 versus $450, but we're hoping there's something wrong with that one. We think it's using $200 a month. Okay, here we are in the nasty dark basement. Going to replace this water heater because we are having super high electric bills again, like $520 a month. So, new water heater. We've already replaced the dryer. We put in a heat pump dryer. Didn't make a difference in the electric bill. In fact, it keeps going up every month. Last fall, we replaced the pressure tank over here. Yeah, we had 2 months where the bill was down in the mid 200s, so that was good, but suddenly something happened. Only thing we can think of now is maybe this water heater, so let's hope so. I would have liked to have bought a heat pump water heater, but that's way too expensive. So just gonna swap it. Hope that something really weird was going on with the other one and we fix it. Let's check it out. Yummy, yummy. Oh. Let's open the relief valve on top. Gotta shut the water off first. Okay. Oh, it's going a little crazy there. I don't want to move my hand, otherwise I'm going to get soaked. Ooh-wee. Okay, it's getting hot and steamy down here with all this hot water coming out. Woo! Nothing better to do on a hot day. Okay, hot and steamy. We finally got the water drained. Power's disconnected. Now the real tricky part is if we can get these plumbing connections undone without wrecking it. We need a couple pipe wrenches, so we'll be back with some pipe wrenches. Alright, I really didn't need a 24-inch pipe wrench, at least I don't think so. That's the only one I could find, so we get that and a monkey wrench. Hope we can do it without busting this pipe. Not sure if I'm turning the right way even. I think so. Ooh. He-Man did that, actually. Hulk Hogan did it. Yeah. Let's try the other side. Maybe that'll go easier, and then we know that we're turning the right way. Yeah, that one's turning. All right, success. There it is. Okay, good. Now what I see is the nipple that comes out of here goes up to bigger thread for some reason. Not sure why they did that, but we're going to need to steal these adapters.
Oh.
Because our new one,
so these
maybe our new one is that size, 3/4. I don't know why they put like 1 inch or 1.25 threads there. Hope that's not a crack in it. It kind of looks like a crack. Alright, I'm telling you, it really sucks when you can't find where you place things. I'm looking for a second pipe wrench to get this upper one off, this little nut-like thing. Boom! That's the only other pipe wrench I could find. I got like 4 or 5 of them, but yeah, this is going to be a load of fun. This thing's heavy. Yeah, it's a task just to hold it in the air. Oh yeah. Whew. Getting exhausted just threading that closed. Yeah. This thing is heavy. Weighs like 50 pounds. Oh. No, not yet. Okay. Not yet. And I do really need pipe wrenches for this part because they're both round. There's no flat areas for a monkey wrench to get onto. Okay. And it's fun. Oh, I don't want to wreck the threads. Not going good. Pipe wrench is too big. I don't want to drop that big one either. That'll crack the concrete. Not good at all. No luck. Not good. We do have these nasty looking ones. I think we might have to use them. It seems like the threads are correct. See, and this is the type of stuff. This is the type of stuff you don't know until you get into it, that we need these adapters. And I'm not running all the way into town to the hardware store to get some adapters, so we're going to use those nasty looking ones. Yummy, yummy. Oh, giving up on that. And we've got some nasty adapters that'll work. So, I think this thing's ready to pull out. Now this one seems taller. I'm going to try and put it on that base, but we might have to do it without the base. I'd rather not though. Because this one senses when there's water leaks. and our basement leaks. So I don't want it sensing a flooded basement from rain and shutting off our water supply. I think we're gonna be good. Yeah, something like that. A little bit sketchy on this hard line coming in here. The other one's got apex lines, so there's some maneuverability there, but ooh-wee, this one's a little scary. These copper pipes don't have much flex to them. Yikes. I don't like it when I hear that sound. I still gotta go up like 2 inches too. Let me push it towards the wall a little. Okay. Yikes. Don't want to bust the copper pipe. I think we'll just barely get it. That sound, that's my PEX 90-degree slipping. Sketchy. Alright, let's try this one. Hope there's some tape in here. Not sure who put an empty roll of tape in my toolbox. You want it to wrap so that when you tighten it, it doesn't unravel the tape. Okay, this gimmick here is kind of in the way. So I've got to get behind it with my wrenches. Okay, I think it started. That looks a little sketchy there. In the basement, I'm sweating. Change our view here a little. Okay, now let's wrap this one, and then yeah, we'll put that on. Yummy, yummy. Okay, need a pipe wrench for this one. The first one had a connector I could get on, but this one I need to grab a pipe. So every time you think it's gonna go super easy, oh, they'll just take an hour. It always takes 2 or 3. Just changing the angle a little to keep it entertaining. Okay, there we are. Plumbing's connected. We're almost ready. Let's hope we don't open those valves and spraying everywhere. Okay, so we're concerned about this part right here. Let's see if it leaks. Leaky, leaky. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this raised area here. So I don't want to undo these connections, so I need to try and lift it a little while Tanner kicks it out. Yeah, it sounds a little sketchy. Fun. Which way are you gonna kick it? Like, I guess kick towards me to start with. 1, 2. Whew. Gotta show you the yum yum.
No, it's not.
This is what you run into when you reuse old connections. It's bubble bubble. Okay. I already see bubbles. Here comes the water. Oh. Let's give it a try. We're gonna try it. If this doesn't work, I think we're cutting this out. So far so good. I think we might be in luck. We're gonna break for lunch though. Otherwise we won't get a lunch. And then we'll continue. Alright, here we are done with lunch. Came down here, got this thing all ready to fill up with water and then turn on, and we'll see if it works. So I guess once again, hope this thing doesn't leak. So far so good. Alright, I'm going to open the pressure relief on top for now. Oh yeah, I hear that air coming out. Let's open this more. Leak. That's sad. Now we're gonna have to cut all of this out and replace it. We thought we were done. Disappointment. Old plumbing connectors. We gotta run to town, get some parts. Surprise, surprise, no matter how well prepared you are, you always end up driving to town. We'll be back in an hour. Alright, here we are heading to Home Depot. Get some parts. Just standard practice that when I'm working on plumbing. Gotta go to town. No matter how well prepared you are, you're not prepared enough. Okay, here we are an hour later, probably more than an hour. Went to the store to buy some parts. You know how it always is. Never have all the parts you need, no matter how many parts you get. And then you go to the store, and the store doesn't have the parts that you're looking for either, so you have to make do. So we're gonna go packs from here to here. I wanted to have like a 6-inch extension of metal going up, but the store ain't got nothing. There's no 3/4 inch couplers at the store. It's just 6-inch nipples, but no couplers. Ain't gonna work. Okay, we're on. Closed.
Magic.
Go.
Uh-oh.
I wonder if I've got like a deburring thing. Let me take a look. This whole video is going to be kind of boring. You heard that, right? This whole video is going to be kind of boring.
Oh no.
Drip, drip. Drip, drip. Dripping coming. Yeah. Take that thing down. Let's make sure we didn't crack our pipe up there. Got a lot of dripping happening from that upper pipe. I'm thinking it's just condensation because it's like ultra humid in here today. Which actually, look at that. Super dripping on our wood.
Oh no.
Yeah, wet basements. Okay, I think this thing's going on. Let's hope it doesn't leak.
Yeah.
Should we try it?
Nice. Like eat away.
There you go. We can sign this. You pay for shipping. We can give this to you. Then you can smell it.
Ooh, yes.
All right. There's the dumb part right there.
Ah.
All right, gonna put that somewhere. Why have it in a resealable bag? There's one item in here. I don't need to reseal it.
I guess they know you're gonna go back to store because it won't fit.
Could be. All right, we're gonna have to tape that, but that looks good.
Someone stole all the tape.
We're going to take our packs, come up to, oh, we got a 90. How I'll have to go get the 90. We're gonna come up to about here, and then we're gonna shoot into there. Okay, we got our 90. We got our PAX crimp rings, and guess what? Not a resealable bag. You gotta rip a hole, and take one out, shove it on. Put the 90 on. It's so dark in this basement here. There it is. Oh, this is not a good cutter. I've got a ratcheting one somewhere. That would be a lot better.
Oh yeah.
I don't know where it went. It's probably the same place as all our pipe wrenches.
Well, I think I haven't lost them. Shade. Oh, clean cut.
Now,
Oh, already.
clean out the burrs.
Oh.
Fingernails work good for that. Make sure it's flat.
Yep, looks that.
Looks flat.
Uh-huh.
Let's get a ring on there. Think we can take this to the pawn shop? What do you think the pawn shop will give us? We just got to grind off that thing that says PAX.
Ooh.
Here we go.
I'll be fine.
Okay.
You should put it around your finger. My cookie monster got a little nibble. Ooh.
Okay, we're gonna find out. Should I get in line with it? So when it
yeah.
sprays, I get a shower. And I'll go this way so you guys can see it when it leaks everywhere. So far, so good. A little bit of drip drip. Not much, but
You blame the hardware store for that.
so. Okay. Let's try it again. It's wide open. Don't tell it to leak. At some point it's going to spray out of here.
Yeah, we can get a shower.
I think it's going to be a while, but once it gets close, we've got to turn that valve. All right, this thing's filled up. We're going to turn the power on and see what happens. All right. Okay, I'm not getting shocked.
How did it ever turn on?
I don't know what this means.
Why ain't it turning on?
I can't read it.
Oh, this is a blue light. I can't see stuff when it's blue.
Clear alarm, Wi-Fi setup. We'll do that later. Set point 110. That seems okay. Power blue. Should I? Okay, you can't. It's not a button to push, so I think it's on.
Is it heating up though?
I guess we gotta wait a couple hours and see if we get hot water. It's gonna take a while.
Oh,
Okay. That was not fun.
service needed.
Service needed? We just plugged it in.
This is closed now.
The leak guard. It's really that sensitive. It sensed our damp floor and shut off, didn't it?
Don't give this one if you have a basement like ours. What a bad machinery.
And I can have heat all over it. Slowly over it.
It's opening up. Wait a minute, or a second too.
Service needed.
No service needed. How to undo that crap?
Right, because we don't really care about the leak guard.
Yeah.
I mean, look at our floor. At least they remembered to shut the water off. Think it senses a leak? Oh yeah. All right, what next? We're gonna. All right, we're gonna try and put this on a pedestal now. Why do anything the right way? We're not gonna drain it.
Yeah.
We're gonna try and put a pedestal under it, it's full of water. All right, let me get a broom. Oh, I mean, was there an option to buy a water heater that doesn't have the urine guard? See if we can get that pedestal under here. Okay.
An old barrel top.
Oh, perfect. We can show them that.
Yeah.
Look at our pedestal here.
Uh-huh.
See what it is?
There's a handle.
Yeah. It's the best.
Uh-huh.
All right, so now I'm going to try and tip it towards the wall.
Ooh.
And you try and shove that under, and then that's the easy half. Then we gotta get the second half. That's the hard half. Okay, hold on. I think we're doable. I just wanted to watch the piping here first,
Oh,
because our hot is still connected.
higher. Yeah.
Okay. And yes, the power is off. Some more. Okay. It's dripping on me. So we just got this all connected, a new hot water heater. And like a minute after turning it on, the power button, it alarmed at us. And we could hear and see the moisture guard, the leak guard, the diaper thing. It closed and shut off everything. Well, we're in a really wet basement. So if you got a wet basement, you might need to disable the leak guard, because we always leak down here from everything. So we don't want our hot water heater shutting off every time we got water in the basement. So let's show you how to disable the moisture sensor. Remove your lower panel here. We got some purple and yellow wires coming into a harness here. Coming out the bottom of this harness, you're gonna see a tube right here. This white straw-like tube, or this white wire that goes into a straw. There's a white wire coming out of your harness that goes into a straw, that comes down all the way down to here, which is a moisture detector. Well, if you look at our floor is always moist. Not always, but a good portion of the year. So if you've got a moist basement floor, you can try this. Just pull this moisture sensor out. There's that wire that comes out. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to coil it up inside of here. So it's not touching down there. Let's put our insulation back in. And of course, have the power off when doing this. Alright, so we disabled the urine guard leak detector, we hope. And then we cut this because we thought we were going to raise it and we needed it to be lower. And then we gave up on the idea of raising it. Don't ask us the reason. We just did. There we go. Alright.
Now we turn it on.
Crimp these first before we turn it on. I've had enough with leaks. It's up in the proper spot. Drip, drip. There it is. Add some water. Looking good. Looking good. Let's turn the power back on. Just a nice blue light. Took about 1 minute, roughly, for the urine guard to sense that the cats were probably peeing on it. Miwa likes peeing. Okay, I think we got it. It's almost 4 p.m. It's probably like 3:45.
3:54.
10 a.m. was when we started. I thought I'd be done before lunch. There went my Sunday.
I guess we can have lunch now. So we can have it.
No red light yet. There we are. A fun-filled day to replace the water heater. All this because our electric bill is super, super high. I mean, $520 last month. The month before it was over $500. The month before it was $200
Ooh, wonder why.
something, because we went to Florida for 2 weeks.
Oh.
So it's something we're doing. It's not the stuff that runs all the time, like the refrigerator, the freezer, the fish tanks, the lizard heater.
Right.
It's something that when we're home, we do. We're hoping it's this. A month from now, we'll find out.
Yeah.
We'll let you know.